So we're out at Birdseye Hollow Farm and Distillery, and we're gonna see if they'll make my pizza. I have a special pizza. They make delicious pizzas here. Let's see if we can get them to actually make mine and put it on the menu.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. See you, Quinn. All right, so they agreed to let us make a pizza. So now you get to see what's in my brain. So let's put some gloves on.
What's in your brain?
Well, people kind of
Don't want to go in there.
question the ingredients on this pizza, but it's delicious. So here we go. Ta-da!
Wow.
So I can't spread crust that well, so I let the professionals do it. We are gonna start with some red sauce. I believe this is house-made red sauce here at Birdseye Hollow. And we might speed this up a little, like that would be probably better.
Sure. Do you make this?
Oh, I make it all the time.
Do you make this
All
at home?
the time.
Really?
It's inspired by an actual recipe out of, I believe, Pennsylvania and Ohio.
Huh.
I won't name the company, but it's my spin on it.
Sure.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this again with some more ingredients. We need more
Okay,
ingredients,
yeah,
ready?
that'd probably be it.
And there we go, ingredients.
Wow.
This is the secret ingredient. Red grapes, table grapes. So this pizza contains grapes, blue cheese, ham of your liking. Some people like smokehouse ham,
Oh,
some
okay.
like a sweet ham.
Sure.
And
What do you like?
Swiss cheese. I like the sweeter hams.
Okay, sure.
But we get the sweetness with the grapes. And then hot sauce of your choice. It doesn't really matter.
Mm-hmm.
So I start by laying a little layer of cheese. I use Swiss. So this is all up to you of how much you want to put on there. These are all kind of strong ingredients. It's a very bold pizza, I would say. You have to like Swiss cheese and you have to like blue cheese.
It's a lot
Oops.
of cheese.
Well, that's kind of the base coat.
Okay. Nice.
Clean up my mess a little here.
Yeah,
Yeah, just put it on there.
Okay.
Okay. And then we go with some ham. Then I'm gonna put the grapes. I usually halve these.
Oh boy.
Or quarter them depending on the size. We don't want anybody choking.
So kind.
Yep. Well, it infuses the flavor a little more too.
Yeah.
Of the grape, gives a little more sweetness. Again, as much as you want, as little as you want.
I'm excited. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I'm scared.
What are you scared
I'm
of, though? Are you
happy.
scared
No,
of grapes
I
being
don't
on it?
know.
Because grapes are really just like a
No,
little
I-
sweetness, and in the oven they like soften up,
I think I'd like the grapes.
so they lose a little crunch. It's more of a nice sweet.
Yeah. No, I think it's gonna be the ham for me. I'm not a big ham.
Not ham?
I prefer turkey over ham, so I feel like I'll like the grapes. I like crazy
Do you
stuff
like blue
that.
cheese?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Some people don't like blue cheese either.
Yeah.
So again,
that's fair. So interesting.
to your liking,
I've never seen anything
just add a
like
little
that.
flavor. Quinn,
That's
are you gonna
crazy.
try this, Quinn?
Yes, I am.
That might be a lot. Thank you. Okay. Last but not least, dash of hot sauce. Just get a little on there. Just a little. Give it some heat. Doesn't need a lot. You're probably wondering when I'm going to stop.
Yeah, I know. He's like, doesn't need a lot, and I'm like, why is he still going?
Okay. And we're going to give that a shot.
Okay.
Ready?
No, yeah, I'm
All
ready.
right. So get right in.
Wow.
Use a lot of force. Make sure
Yeah,
to
I was like, wow.
cut through that crust. All right, the taste test. All right,
I'm on the podcast.
it's the only time we're letting
Who's
him
this
on.
guy?
Yeah.
We only let him on once in a while. So, honest opinions. Dive in. Let me know what you think. And then I'm gonna
Cheers.
taste it.
Ah! Here we go. You know what? You know what?
I like
Bad?
it. I like it actually.
Wait, that's kind of good.
That was kind of good.
Wait a minute.
I have no faith in me.
It's not too
No.
hot.
Uh-huh.
The grapes are actually really good.
I know.
I like that. No, it's not too hot. I was a little nervous about that too because I
They got a
don't
good
like
crust
hot.
here.
Yeah.
I like
So you like
that.
the crust, you don't like my topping.
Yeah, sorry, the crust is the crust is the best part. It's not yours.
Crust is very important when it comes to a pizza.
Wow.
So
You know what?
Oh wait,
get a little flavor, something
got a
else
little
in
got a
there.
little hot sauce in
Okay,
there,
here we go.
but it's good. It's not.
I would-
and I'm not a spicy food guy, but it's not bad. It's good. It's not too hot. It's not. The grapes actually calm it down.
Yeah. Yeah, the spice
I'm gonna
isn't
do the whole
like too
damn
crazy.
thing.
Well, if you use
No,
like
that's
if
so
you use
good.
like a sweeter ham too, like that would play with the sweetness a little. And cut
Yep.
the,
No, the grapes are good with it.
so.
I like it. Yeah.
Can I get a high five from somebody?
Good job. Yeah.
What do you think? Honest.
Very good.
Decent, yeah. So you think it's good enough to put on?
Yeah.